Want to know the ILQ team skincare secret? Let's find out.
Have you got stretch marks? Say hello to Bio Oil. Are dark circles driving you crazy? Use Bio Oil. You've got chapped lips? Turn that frown upside down with Bio Oil. Are you tired of all the time it takes to remove your makeup? Clean it off with Bio Oil. Sunburns got you looking like a lobster? Beat the heat with Bio Oil. Is your skin drier than the Doha desert? Surprise! It's Bio Oil. Irritating acne scars? You guessed it, use Bio Oil. No need to toil when you have Bio Oil. It's the little skin secret I tell everyone about.
Available at all leading hypermarkets and pharmacies in Qatar. Or order online at www.ddsalon.com/biooil.